Hi, everyone, this is Linda. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to step by step to show you how to create a Guess the Flag quiz video, and I am going to use Capcut to create it. This one is completely free. Before we begin it, please subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell to receive more related videos. Now, let's get started.
Firstly, go to Google browser and type Capcut. Click Sign In and go to the Capcut homepage. So you can use Google or Facebook to sign up or sign in. Here I choose Google to sign in. Here show you get started with space, and with your space name, ticket the video and image will be saved to this space. And click on Open Capcut. Choose the roles which describes you and click Next and choose it. Click Next. And choose it. Click Next. Next, click on Create New Video and select aspect ratio 16:9. We need upload the background video into timeline. I don't have it right now, so I am going Adobe Express. At Adobe Express homepage, click on Explore and Videos. Click on Backgrounds to choose one and download it. Now to upload the background video into timeline. Next, now click on Background and click on Blur. Select the last one. Next, go to the base setting. Click on Mask and select second one. Here, to reduce size to 0. Now I am going to add a text. You can use text template or just add the text. So add Guess the Flag. Change the font size, color, and customize it. Now go Photos section for flag image, search a flag and drag it into scene. Click on Mask for style. Now add a text. And to type Japan, change the text and font for text. Or you can choose a preset from here. You also can change any color and font you like it. Now go to Sticker Section E and search for timer. Choose one of them. Here I choose the time 5 seconds and drag it to screen. Resize it. Create a circle mask for it. And next, I am adjusting the layers. When the timer reaches 0 on the quiz, the country's name will be displayed. Now click on text and go for text animation. Choose one of the animation which you like it. When it finished, click on Audio and go to Sound Effects section. And add timer sound and adjust them. Now click on Country Text and go to Text Speech section and choose one of the item. So now here the small window shows you is applying text to speech. Now select the all layers and copy them and paste the layers . And then change the name and flag of the country. And just change the country name and flag. Also, if you can't find a good flag image here, you can download it from website and upload it here. After downloaded the flag, you need resize it. After finished everything, and go export video and do export settings. Then click export. And click on downloading. Now let's see the result.
Japan. Australia.
How to create Guess the Flag quiz video. That's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notification bell to receive more related videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.